That's the new bowl the mechanic put on it from the other shop. That's the other new bowl the mechanic put on from the other shop. He had 3 different size jets in it, and he was battling a problem and created that problem right here while he was trying to solve the actual problem that was the problem. It was the electrical system, and that's the optical eye, the trigger wheel, and we put some coils on it also. He said he'd been to the shop twice a week for 6 weeks at the other shop and couldn't ever get it to run. And we just put it on his tank and not telling how long the gas has been in there. So that's probably why it's stuttering just a little right this second. And they had it run on underneath the back, and the line was actually crimped right there, and it was obstructing some of the gas.